everyone, this is Katie with Rebecca Rose. I have a new DIY idea that, I wanted to put forward and put out there. It's a DIY journal kit that, I make the journal and then it comes with all of the accessories for you to add, put in, because that's really a personal touch that you may want to do on your own journal. So, yeah, let me give you just a brief idea. This is just the blank journal. I still have the, book tag in here, or the bookmark in here, that you could add, the bookmark tassel if you'd like. You just punch a hole there, add the bookmark tassel, or if you'd like to add it into one of the other tags. So it's still the general form of my books, but there's no embellishments. There's no, accessories added. That's all for you. I still do have some sewn pages throughout it and some old paper. This is from the 1880s, I think. But then, yep, just general pages like you would find in my normal journals. All the journals, I'm doing them made to order, so all of them will be generally the same. Things that I can't control would be like the tea dye of the pages. I can't, replicate this every time. The tea staining, everything will be the same throughout the journals. There's going to be several different themes. This is just the Forbidden Forest theme. I have a Field Notes one ready to go as well, like an Edith Holden watercolor animal insect journal as well. But yeah, so this is just, a blank journal that doesn't have any of the embellishments in it. I did leave the center strings long in case you wanted to tie your own charm in, really do it yourself. So you would come with the base book, and then it also comes with all of the accessories in these cute little envelopes. This is just the bookmark tag. That this may also come in different colors. I can't promise that I'll have the same colors for every book. But yeah, so they come in little, envelopes. So we have mini tags, we have images, we have fussy cuts. I printed stickers that I cut out. You'll have stickers, you'll have tags, you'll have pockets, and then you'll have more. So I guess we'll take a look at the bigger one first. And I have them all labeled, so, you can generally tell what it's supposed to be. So in here, you'll have larger pieces of, the kit's ephemera. So if you wanted to make side pockets, if you wanted to add pages, if you wanted to make flips, you could do anything you'd like, and they all match the theme of the kit. I also have page scraps in here, so bits of the kit or bits of the pages that I thought you may want included in. Here's more pages. Then I have large tags. These are printed on both sides, so that way you don't, there's writing space if you'd like. You can add the bookmarks to these if you wanted. Then I have large pockets. With these, you would just fold down the white edges and then place them in a page that you'd like. So, if you wanted it on, say, this page, you'd fold down the white edges, you glue it on this side, and now you have a tuck spot for one of your large tags. There's, unlimited options for what you'd like to do with it. So this is just in the large envelope. Just put that to the side. Then you have this one. These are your larger tags, like the 3x5 tags. They're all white on the back, so you can reinforce them with book page, add them to the page, make them pockets. You can have them be their tuck tags, whatever you'd like. There's just images from the kit. Those all go in this envelope. Then we have more pockets. So there's small tag pockets. You just, you know, glue on 4 sides or 3 sides and just stick it to the page, and now you have a tuck spot. There's different pockets for that. There's different, you know, size ones. If they don't fit on your page, just cut down the edges, or you could fold them in, you know, whichever. This is the same. You glue on 3 sides and place it on the page. You now have pockets. Here's more where you fold down the sides. You just fold down the white sides, and now you have corner pockets. You have a tuck spot there. So all different kinds of accessories to go with your journal, and you can personalize it to make it yourself. Here's more tags. This is an envelope from the kit that I made, and these have the standard tags in them. Let's take off the paper clip if I can. There we go. So these are all the standard tags. There's all different kinds. There are some blank, well, not blank, but just patterned ones. If you wanted to stick them back to back, glue them down together, now you have a, you know, your own. Or you can have them as individual, put some tea dye paper behind them, put some book page, put whatever you'd like, notebook paper, anything. So it comes with, you know, a kit envelope as well, and then there's another kit envelope. These are the stickers. So I fussy cut out on sticker paper, so there's all different kinds of stickers that go with the kit. It is sticker paper, so they peel off, but you know, you can add them in however you'd like. And then these are tailored to this kit in particular, so all the different kits that I do will all have their own tailored stickers that go with it. So I'll put those to the side. Then we have more images. These are the ATC cards. They're just small, tiny little cards that you can use as pockets, you can use as tags, you could, you know, collage with them, whatever you'd like. But each kit will come with these as well, and once again, these are tailored to this kit of the Forbidden Forest. There's also fuzzy cuts that I did, you know, and this will come in a little glassine envelope. And so there's, you know, and this is on thicker paper. This is the heavier paper that I use for the kit. There's all different kinds of fussy cuts that come with it. You know, you can collage, you can do everything. And then there's a whole bunch of little tags as well. I never know what to do with these, but I included them in since they came with the kit. And then last, there's the mini tags, which are the tiny tags. And once again, come in a envelope from the kit. And then these are just the standard little tiny tags that you can add into those tiny little pockets to make them your own. You know, some are printed on the back, some are not. You know, you can make it your own, collage, do what you like. But I thought it was a neat idea. I had a lot of people asking me how to make the journals and how to get the papers, and you know, so I figured the hardest part is making the journal, and then decorating it is the fun part. Why should I just, you know, do all the fun and I should let you guys do the fun. So I did the hard part of making the book, although I really do enjoy making the books. But you know, you can see there's all different pages, all different styles. You can add, you know, whatever you'd like to whatever page you want. You know, you don't have to rely on my ideas. You could do it yourself. So yep, it'll be a fully covered, made hardback book. Well, semi-hardback book. It's made with an envelope. And then it comes with all of the kit ideas, all of paper clips, everything. It comes with all that you saw. So you can really make this book your own. Let me know what you think. I thought it was a cool idea, but it may not be. So let me know, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.